Hey there, this is Mark with NHA VFD.com. I'm just going to do a motor ID run. These can be a little bit finicky. I have a real small motor on there right now, so sometimes it doesn't work, but we'll try it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is hit the menu key, and you have a couple of different places you could do this in. The one that I like to go to is main group 99. So I go to parameters, complete list, and then I'm going to go up to 99, motor data. Hit the right arrow, and then you can answer the nameplate information that the driver is looking for. So it's going to ask how you're going to control it, whether you're in vector or scalar. If you don't know, leave it on scalar. The motor full load amp is 0.9, 230 volt. It is 60 hertz motor. It's set up for 1725 RPM. Power factor, or the power horsepower is 0.3. Power factors, I just have that at 0 and torque at 0. Then it will bring up in 99.13 the ID run. If you enter into that, you can set up either, if you set it up for normal, it's going to ramp the motor up to speed. If you wanted to just test the motor at a standstill, you can run reduced or standstill. Hit save. And then we'll hide this because we just initiated that. We'll back out of it. And then from the home display, you hit the hand start, and it should tell you it's going to do a motor ID run. And you can hear it. It's sending out pulse trains to the motor right now, and it's developing what they call a motor model. It says ID run done, so we're all set.